What's going on, gun tubers, YouTubers? I'm gonna do a little quick video on how to field strip or disassemble your MP5 variant. SP5, MKE clone should apply to all those, as far as I know. First thing you want to do always is clear the weapon. So pull the charger handle back. Check, make sure the chamber is clear. Make sure there's no ammo in the well. Everything looks good. And we're good to go. All right, so first thing we want to do, excuse me, is take off the pin for the brace. So this one kind of hard to get through, so I need a little help with a punch, so just to get it started. So okay, see if that'll be enough to get it out. Huh. Oh, it's in there good, so gotta keep coming. Gotta keep going with it. Knock it on off. There we go. That's the pin. All right, pull this off. And then this should come right off, just like that. That's your lower. And then your spring. And your bolt. All right, so it's a little dirty. I'm gonna have to clean it here in just a second because I've been out shooting this bad boy. But yeah, that's it. Now, next thing you want to do is take the bolt off. So, stand by. All right, sorry, I had to wipe some of it off here. It was really dirty, greasy. So, what you need to do first is you need to turn it, just like that. Once you turn it, it'll pop off. See that? It's under spring there. Pull that right on out. That's one piece. Then this will come out, just like that. Comes back in just like that. And then your spring, just like that. Okay? You can take that all the way off if you want to for cleaning. And that's how you break it down. All right, let me clean it up here real quick, and then I will show you how to put it back together. Real simple. I mean, you just do the opposite of what you did. Okay, stand by. All right, guys, so this is the hardest part about putting this weapon back together, putting this bolt back together. So follow along with me as I do it. All right, put your spring back on your firing pin. Doesn't matter which way it goes. Put that in here, just like that. Now go ahead and put this piece inside this hole, and you're gonna wanna push it in to turn it. Just a little bit, like that, okay? Now this piece, is only one way it can go on. So if you put it on wrong, you'll figure it out. Go ahead and slide this on here, and just go ahead and turn it. Make sure it goes, got this little loose part going like that, and you're on. Once that's in, it's back, okay? All right, let's put the rest of it back together. All right, so that was the hard part about putting this thing back together. So now all you do is put the bolt back in the receiver. Just like that. Drop the spring. You got a little hole down there where the spring goes. Put your lower back on, and it just slides on up in there. Kind of hooks in. It's really simple. Just like that. Then you want to make sure this hole is lined up here where you put your brace on, or your end cap, whatever you're using. And then hold it together, and once you hold it together like that, you drop this pin down in there. That's going to take me 2 hands, so I'm going to have to turn it off for that, but just take my word for it. That's how you put the pin back in. You just put the pin in there and just tap it in. So all right, so I just knocked that pin in with the hammer. It's in, see? Do a function check. That's the last thing you'll do. Pull the trigger. Pull it back, let the trigger go, should get a click, pull it again, should get a click. You're good to go. And that's how you disassemble and reassemble your MP5 variant. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. Hope this helps. We're out.